So we were having dinner. Hello everybody. And we received air raid alerts on our phones.
Wait, I think it's outside too.
Yeah, okay, so no, but we're not supposed to go outside. We're supposed to look for the bomb shelter.
Which is
Yeah. It's not outside, it's below this building.
also that's the music. I thought that's the
Yeah. Okay.
So Yulia said she's paying. After this, we'll probably go to the metro and wait it out. To wait the alert out.
The metro.
The metro underground.
The subway.
Let's go.
Alright, so let me explain. The SOP is when you hear the air raid alarm or alert or siren, okay, meron kang 10 minutes. Parang the system is such that nakaka-detect siya nung threat from mula sa himpapawid from 10 minutes away. So, nung narinig namin alert a few seconds ago, so we have now 10 minutes to take shelter. And normally it could be a bomb shelter under the establishment you're in. So, drone attack siya, which is slower down than a missile attack. So, we have more time.
Okay. Okay. I don't have my bag with me.
Yeah.
It's 800.
Okay, so I don't know if the restaurant staff are getting ready to look for shelter or they're just packing up for the night. But we are definitely leaving the restaurant and we'll head down to the street and walk to the metro. Siyempre dahil di ako taga rito, di kami taga rito, di namin alam, so we are dependent on our local guide, si Julia. We've stepped outside of the restaurant. So ayan, umuulan sa labas. Malamig. Naglalabasan din yung mga tao sa restaurants. Ang sabi, hindi naman na nga daw lahat dito take the air raid alert so seriously. Parang sanay na sila, they're desensitized kasi 2 years na silang ganito eh. So this is just one, just another air raid alert on another ordinary Friday night here in Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. Ngayon, syempre, I have the double problem of having to document this because, I'm here on assignment and this is precisely what I'm here to cover. This kind of situation, what it's like to live in a country that's at war. How you balance, going on with life, living your life. Okay, what's that? Ba't may umuugong? That must be the subway passing under, the train passing under us. So dahil medyo chill yung mga tao, like I think the quickness in their stride is more because it's raining than because they're hurrying to a bomb shelter. Yeah, that's the thing, it complicates things, it's raining. Yung sinasabi ko, ayun, 2 years at war. Paano mo babalansahin yung living your life? Kasi yan yung defiance ng mga Ukrainians. They insist on living their best life given the situation. Okay, so now we are walking to the metro to wait out this air raid alert that according to so bali dito yung mga tao, meron na silang mga Telegram apps, Telegram threads, WhatsApp threads na to which they follow alerts from the military or updates from the military kung saan nanggagaling yung air threat. Basically the question is kung drone ba siya or missile, kasi kung missile mas mabilis, kung drone mas mabagal daw. So which means pag nakita mo, you get an alert from your app or narinig mo yung sirens sa kalye, pag missile, turns out, check mo ngayon yung WhatsApp mo or Telegram mo, pag it turns out that it's a missile, then you have to hurry a bit because mabilis daw ang missile. If it's a drone, it's slower, so it affords you more time. But basically, rule of thumb, sabi nila, you should get yourself in a bomb shelter or somewhere underground in 10 minutes. Okay. Hey Hussein.
Careful for your wallet.
Oh yeah.
Because we enter the metro.
Yes. So Hussein is my colleague from Indonesia.
Yeah, I'm from Tempo Magazine. Hi.
Hi. Okay, so here we are at the metro, entrance to the metro station. here in this part of Kyiv. So bababa na kami. Just tignan natin kung marami rin nag-take shelter dito. But there are people walking out of the station. So gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, iba sa kanila, hindi na sila ganun ka takot, if that's the right word. They're a bit desensitized. They don't take these air raid alerts that urgently. 2 years into the full-scale invasion of Russia. So Julia, this is the best place to hide for when you are in a place where there's no bomb shelter? Is that it?
The metro station is one of the best shelters.
Okay.
This way.
Oh. Okay, so parang humaharang kami sa daan. Oops, sorry.
It's quite deep onto the ground.
Haha.
And you'll see Kyiv Metro.
Thank you. Oops, thank you so much, Julia.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
So when there's a alert, you can get in without paying.
Okay, yeah. So, libre pumasok dito sa subway. Metro ang tawag nila. Kapag kami air raid alert. So, nga naman. Wala naman kami pupuntahan. Nagtatago lang kami dito.
Take the train one stop.
Okay.
This is the stop here.
So we get to ride for free as well?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Well, that's not something to be happy about. I said wow, but you know, I mean, pardon me for the levity, okay? So I don't know if they're taking shelter or naghihintay lang ba sila ng train. And I'm sure medyo ang weird namin tignan dito kasi film namin. We're a bunch of foreigners and we're filming this. Okay. It's 10:10 in the evening here in Kyiv. And let's see for how long we'll have to wait. But normally it's an hour. Nung nagkaroon ng air raid alert sa Lviv, it was 1 hour before the app said that it was all clear. So let's see. We're actually taking the train kasi daw malapit na to sa hotel namin. Okay. Sorry. First time pa lang dito sa may metro nila dito sa sorry. So, we're heading to okay. So, we've come out dun sa station na malapit sa hotel namin. Okay. So, Julia, do we have to wait? Or like for the app to say it's all clear, or we wait before we go up to the hotel? I see. And is there like a set time, or it's usually 1 hour? When do we know?
It's hard to say how long
So we wait. Hihintay kami. Kasi yung app din yung magsasabi kung okay na, kung all clear na, wala nang threat. So have to wait.
Everyone's exiting it.
Yeah, that's true though. Everyone's carrying on normally as though wala naman, like you know, mga umakit na yan. Yung mga umakit na sa escalator yun, pero syempre di ba, we need to think of safety first, kaya yun, we're gonna wait it out here. Oh, another rocket in the direction of Kyiv. Okay, thank you. Okay, so medyo ayun, our guide Julia says that baka we're better off walking out of here and going to our hotel nearby because okay, may nadaang tren.
On each metro station they have chairs that they lend to people. And you can sit on them waiting for the alert.
Okay. So they're waiting out. They're waiting
Yeah.
out.
Chairs like this.
Yeah. So those are for people who are
Yes.
waiting out alerts. All right. So Julia says, eto, so bakit na kami? We're going up. Yun, so alis na kami ng station kasi sabi ni Julia, this threat might last all night because tomorrow, actually in a few hours, is the second anniversary of Russia's full-scale invasion. So actually ilang araw na nag-anticipate, takot yung mga tao dito na baka Vladimir Putin, President of Russia, might pull something just for kicks because it's the anniversary of the invasion. So sabi ni Julia, magpunta na lang kami sa hotel kasi yung hotel namin may bomb shelter and it would be better for us to wait out this threat, this danger, you know, in the basement of our hotel as opposed to out here sa subway, diba? So yun. We are heading out of the station. Ang lalim niya ha, tignan nyo. Yan kasi yung storya ng Ukraine. They've been, since they gained independence in the early 90s, 1991 I think, and even before that, they've always been besieged, attacked, conquered, annexed, what have you, by their neighbors. And of late nga, it's Russia that wants to eat them whole. Russia, from Vladimir Putin's point of view, Ukraine does not exist. Ukraine is not its own identity. It's not its own nation. But it's just, you know, it's just part of Russia. And the Ukrainians vehemently disagree. Diyan kami lumabas sa station na yan. So, ayun na yung hotel namin, yung parang may blue light. That's the Dnipro Hotel, named after the river that traverses Ukraine, the Dnipro River, obviously. Okay, so that's our hotel, the Dnipro Hotel. Okay. So akit muna kami to get some stuff, tapos saka kami maghihintay sa shelter. Now, we're heading to the bomb shelter. Hello, sir. So we can go to the shelter, right? Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Pinakita na nila sa amin before asan yung shelter. So ito siya. Okay. It says shelter. So actually, yung shelter nila was right now. I think it's their spa that has been repurposed. Am I going the right way, sir? Yeah. Okay. We're now 2 floors down. Okay. There's again shelter. Dalak yung take out namin pagkain. So, at least may pagkain kami dito ngayong gabi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. And so this is it. This is the shelter. So buti na lang komportable siya because he might be here a while. Did he tell us to go inside there? Okay. I actually umakit ako sa kwarto to get my gear. I mean laptop and everything. In case kailangan magtrabaho dito dahil magiging matagal dito. Okay, so now I'm settled. I have some of my stuff here. Mga essentials. A lot of it really for work. Like, there's the laptop.
I want to go up and sleep.
Me too. Yeah, I think we should wait for
I
30
think
minutes.
I think JC is enjoying.
I'm not.
You look like you're enjoying.
No, for the record, I am not. I'm not enjoying
I
this.
got work to do, man.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
No, but be prepared for the worst in terms of being here overnight.
Yeah.
Because it is the second anniversary, and you got Julia, who's very experiencing. That she has a hunch that there will be a more serious attack, i.e., a missile attack.
Yeah.
In which case, we'll be here all night.
Yeah. We have to do the wise thing.
Yep.
Apparently, it's clear. The threat has gone.
But the Indonesians are asleep.
Say that again.
But the Indonesians are fast asleep.
Wait. Can I film someone's phone saying that the threat is clear?
No, it's gone. I mean, there's a picture you can take a screenshot, but the announcement, it's gone.
It's gone.
Alert is over. I can say that for you.
Okay.
Okay, it goes like this. Attention. The air raid alert is over. May the force be with you. It actually says that, huh? May the force be with you.
Thank you, Lukman. Thank you so much. This is the epitome of international cooperation. ASEAN, you better take a page from this group.
Yeah, this is the best ASEAN cooperation I've seen in a while.
Yeah. ASEAN plus India because he's technically not he is not ASEAN. So akit na kami, labas na kami ng shelter. Nagliligpit na ako ng gamit. Okay, magkatrabaho na ako sa may kwarto. Labas ng bomb shelter, akit sa kwarto. Okay, and that's life in Kyiv for you and the rest of Ukraine. Yeah.
You is последняя.
The last one.
Rest.
The last one down? Yeah.
Last, huh?
Yeah, the last, yes. Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so head na ako sa kwarto. That's it for us tonight. Good night.